In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate lot size in Ctrader. First, open a chart for the instrument you want to trade. Make sure the time frame and symbol are exactly what you intend to trade, so that the price scale and pip values you see are relevant. It also helps to zoom in or out so you can clearly view recent highs and lows where you might place a stop. Next, click either buy or sell to open the order panel. You're not placing a trade yet. You're just opening the ticket so you can size the position correctly. Choose buy if you plan to go long or sell if you plan to go short. The order panel should appear with fields for volume, stop loss and take profit. Now, turn stop loss on. This is crucial because your lot size depends on the distance between your entry and your stop. Without a stop, there's no defined risk and no meaningful position size. Once the stop is enabled, you'll see a line on the chart representing where it's currently set. Drag the stop loss line on the chart to the exact price level that invalidates your trade idea. For longs, that's usually below recent structure. For shorts, it's typically above it. As you drag, Ctrader displays the distance in pips, helping you set a precise level. Be deliberate here. The accuracy of your lot size starts with a well-placed stop. As soon as the stop is set, Ctrader uses the stop distance to instantly calculate and display the risk figures in the ticket. Depending on your platform settings, it may also propose a position size based on your risk configuration. At a minimum, you'll see the projected loss at the current volume, shown in your account currency. This immediate feedback links your technical stop placement to a monetary value. Finally, adjust the lot size until the risk matches your plan. Decide your risk per trade, such as a fixed amount or a small percentage of your account, and modify the volume field accordingly. You can type a number, use the arrows, or scroll your mouse wheel. Watch the estimated loss update in real time. If it's above your target risk, reduce the volume. If it's below, increase it slightly. Aim for a clean match or just under your limit. Double check the stop distance and ensure the risk figure reflects your intention before you do anything else. That's it. By opening the chart, enabling the order ticket, turning on the stop, placing it on the chart, letting Ctrader calculate based on that distance, and then fine-tuning the volume, you arrive at a precise, risk-aligned lot size.